look stylish rain or shine when you wear these tall color splash boots from Hunter. These are crafted with a rubber upper, making them super waterproof, great for any weather conditions, and I love that they have a very fun midsole. I'm sure that's why they're called a little color splash boot, since it has the fun colorway. It does lead to the bottom where you're going to get a lot of traction since it has a rubber lugged outsole. The little buckle detailing is adjustable, and they offer that logo at the front and inside on the footbed. They do offer a sweet lining inside that is synthetic, and then the footbed has cushioning for comfort, making these super great for all-day wear. They have a knee-high construction with a round toe at the front, and I think these will look great with your favorite raincoat and your best leggings.